I'm Sari Shuman, MPhil scholar from University of Sindh.
For more videos related to mathematics, please press red icon bell. This video is about types of a function. The first type of function is one-one function, which is called injective, and the second type of function is many-one, which is called surjective. Algebraic meaning of one-one function is if function is defined a to b, then f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies that x1 is equal to x2. First, let's prove this condition and then we will try to understand the meaning through example. Let's suppose if we have a function f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. If we put x1, then we have 2x1 plus 3. If we put x2, then we have 2x2 plus 3. From condition f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then we will get answer x1 is equal to x2. In this example, from domain we have element 1, 2, 3, 4, and from codomain we have range 5, 7, 9 and 11. One-one injective function defined as the image of distinct element of A under F mapping are distinct. It means that one element has only one image. Second is many-one function. The algebraic meaning of many-one function is defined a to b, then f of x1 is equal to f of x2 and implies that x1 is equal to x2 and minus x2. Similarly, let's prove the condition of many-one function and try to understand the algebraic meaning of many-one function. Let's suppose f of x is equal to x square. If we put x1, then we have a x1 square. If we put x2, then we have a x2 square. From the condition, we will get a factor x1 is equal to x2 and minus x2. Similarly, from domain, we have a element 1, minus 1, 2 and minus 2. And we have a range 1 and 4. Many-one surjective definition is that image of many element of A under F mapping are same. It means that many element has only one image. Also, injective function type is 1-1 onto and 1-1 into function. What is a 1-1 and onto function? In 1-1 onto function, the number of codomain is equal to a number of range. From this graph, we can easily understand the definition of 1-1 onto function, that the number of codomain b or y is equal to the number of range f of a. Now, what is 1-1 into function? In 1-1 into function, the codomain y which is not equal to range f of x. In this example, the number of codomain b or y is equal to 5 and the number of range is 4, which satisfy the condition that y is not equal to f of a. Similarly, many-one surjective follows same rule which were used in 1-1 onto and into.
Thank you.